Green and brown, the two most important colors of our life. Green represents the leaves and brown the stem. Nature looks so immensely beautiful with these two colors, but we are changing the whole damn look by our ways of garbage disposal. Friends, as I said, the other side of coin, it is worse than our imagination. This is what we do. This is how we dispose our garbage. This is how we keep our mother earth. We have a totally useless garbage bin lying over here and it's totally inverted. What else people can do apart from putting their garbage over here, like lying like this? And it's, I can say, not entirely people's fault over here. Not only are we affecting our animals, but also the aqua life. The garbage disposed over here not only causes water pollution, but also affects the aquatic animals, and indeed affects ourselves. Now friends, we have seen how ignorant we are in terms of garbage disposal and what are the consequences that are caused because of this kind of garbage disposal. Now the real motive of this documentary and the real question that arises, how exactly should we dispose of our garbage? Proper garbage disposal can be done in various steps. Firstly, sort out your garbage in different bins. This can be done quickly by setting up a multi-storage bin in your house so that they are disposed of according to their category. Turn food and garden waste into a compost. This can be done with a simple compost file, or you can speed things up by adding worms that will digest your trash. Once it is completely composted, you can use it as a manure or fertilizer. Collect any remaining garbage and put it into a trash can. Remember to seal the top so that the animals won't be able to get into it. Any garbage that can be reused, such as toys, clothing, etc., to second-hand shops so that they can be resold. So friends, now I think that we are pretty convinced so as to why we should dispose of our garbage properly. I have done my part by spreading the awareness. Now it's your turn to contribute to the society. Do good to the environment and the environment will do good to you. Indeed. Thank you.